Welcome back. My name is Mark Melnick at scotttrends.com, and it was an amazing day in the market today. We were pulling up through day highs to day lows, back in the middle to day lows to day highs. What a crazy day. But here is some of the stocks that we just absolutely murdered today. We're going to take a look first here at Adobe, ADBE. We were all over this stock. We were looking at this trigger for the gap fill at $27.08. We got in. Stock got halted because some stupid black box printed $30. They set off the circuit breakers and the stock shot up. We're going to pull up a 5-minute to give you a closer view of what happened after this stock broke up. And you can see after we started buying it, this is wrong screen right here. This is 2708, excuse me. I'm taking it to the 5-minute here. Look what happened when we break 2708. We shot up, we pulled down a little, and we just continued higher. We just absolutely murdered this stock. We caught it on the radar. We were bringing it to you live, and just a stock that the firm just absolutely crushed today. And we were bringing it with real-time trades with full transparency. Moving on to the next stock that we caught here, let's take a look at JCPenney. And this doesn't tell the story of it. First, let's take a look at the daily here. We're taking a look at a daily trigger right here above 29.23 was the call today, and we were getting it a little early. And you could see what happened is as the stock broke 29.23 right over here, the stock just really never looked back and it shot up. And really, there was no good point to sell your shares of JCPenney. The stock just kept ripping higher. It was just one of those stocks that you could have just been stubborn and been like, I'm not going to sell this until the close of the day. And our traders here killed JCPenney today for a very good play. Beautiful setup, and the stock just kept shooting higher. Another stock we caught today. And let's move on now to a stock I was watching earlier, ABIO. That's ABIO, Arca Biopharma Incorporated. We're taking a look at ABIO here. What I was watching was the break right here in ABIO of 395, and basically stock, once it broke 395, just shot up. Beautiful move for a little bit of a cheap stock here. I'm going to pull it up on the 5-minute to show you what happened when the stock went through 395. It just started making bull flag patterns. As you can just see right here, just beautiful bull flag patterns right here, and it continued up higher. Another stock that we caught today with just an absolutely beautiful move. We were bringing it real time. You guys should really come check this site out. It's awesome. We make money. We catch these plays. Moving on here, let's take a look at OREX, OREX. Stock I was calling out long at $6 today. And first, let me show it to you guys on a daily, just so you see what I'm looking at. Basically, we're looking at this bull flag that OREX has formed recently and tapered off. Definition of a bull flag is you put in a flagpole, you can see the high volume right over here on the flagpole, and then the volume is supposed to taper off on the flag. And then what happened was today I saw the volume pick up again really hard, and my bet was that this stock was going to break up. I was looking through yesterday's high of $6.02 on OREX, and let me pull up a 5-minute and show you what happened when we were finally ready to break 602. We just absolutely skyrocketed. It was just getting a little whippy in the 2-cent range by $6, and then it just skyrocketed and popped up for another great catch that we called today and caught. Last but not least, this was a call from a morning. It was more of a sympathy play because the stock just got absolutely crushed recently. Let's take a look at EQIX, EQIX, and I'm going to pull it up on the daily just to show you how traumatized that this stock has gotten. Stock just pulled down all the way from 105 on the top there of that gap bar all the way down to the bottom of 69.42. I mean, that's a 31-point drop. We were looking at it long in the morning. We took it long in the morning for a couple points. We caught it really well. Let me pull it up on the 5-minute to show you how this stock traded in the morning. And it's kind of hard to see, but you have to realize that these are $5 ranges right here. So we basically bought it in the morning. I was in the stock from 72.99, and the stock just shot up all the way to 75.66 at one point, high of the day, and then took the shares off at the end of the market down at 75.05. But it was an amazing play. We were all over it. It was a great day for the firm. Some of us had our best days here. So please feel free to join us if you want to be part of us and our team. You could come visit us for a 14-day free trial at www.scotttrends.com. And that's all for now, and I will see you guys in the morning.